Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I want us to discuss the skills needed to start off the transcription career. Good English skills are a must for one to become a transcriptionist. For example, you need to differentiate between UK and US English. You need to distinguish which homophone to use where. For example, you are and you are, physical and physical, stationary and stationary, break and break, form and form, and many more. Dashes and other quotations Dashes and other punctuation marks like quotation marks, colons, and hyphens are very important in clearly identifying interruptions and other conversation markers. A transcriber who has excellent grammar, punctuation, and spelling skills will be able to submit a clear, ready transcript. As a transcriber, you'll be dealing with people with different accents. Some people are soft spoken, others laugh as they talk. You need to have a keen ear. You need to be good at doing two things at the same time, since you'll be listening and typing at the same time. Having an outstanding research skill is a must-have for helping you in researching crucial information and proper nouns like names, acronyms, companies, establishment of brands in general. Typing speed. A good typing speed is necessary. An average person types 40 to 45 words per minute, but a good typing speed of a transcriptionist is at 60 to 80 words per minute with very few errors. A good transcriber must be keen to details. You must be able to differentiate which speaker speaks when they cross talk, when they laugh, or when they pauses. That is the bare minimum that one needs to start transcribing. But as you grow every day, you realize that there are other qualities that you need to be a professional transcriptionist. That's all for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button and tune into the next video.